Hello everybody, Michael here at Fabspeed, and today we're going to go over how to install our carbon fiber 992 mirror caps. The carbon fiber is a great way to spice up the appearance of your 992 Carrera. It actually saves a total of 0.4 pounds off the weight of the vehicle. The weave perfectly matches the carbon that's factory on the vehicle, and this is a nice cheap alternative as opposed to the Porsche factory direct part. As you can see, I've only got one in my hand here. That's because I already put one on the vehicle. Our set does come with two, and I'll show you how to put this one on the vehicle right now. So here's everything I use for the job. A T10 torque spit on a little ratchet for the two fasteners, an assortment of trim tools to pop the mirror housing off itself, some masking tape to protect the paint, and as with any job, a flashlight always makes life easier. So just as with any job on any vehicle, you want to take care to protect what you're working on. I'm going to do a little ring of masking tape actually around the mirror itself because we are going to be popping the glass out. Now with the masking tape in place, we're going to go ahead and pop out the glass. We're going to work around the corners and use a plastic trim tool. The glass should pop out pretty easily. And it is okay to move the mirror manually by hand. Boom. Come on. All right, and then we're gonna disconnect our heater here. And then put this somewhere safe. With the glass out of the way, that gives us access to the two T10 fasteners that actually hold the cap in place. We're going to go ahead and run those out with a little extension. And these are very tiny, so you want to take extra special care not to lose them. Now's the part that gets kind of tricky. So what we're going to do, there's several retainers that go around the perimeter of the mirror. We're going to go one by one with a plastic trim tool and unsnap them from each other. It's always nice to have a wide selection of trim tools. That way you're always using the best tool for the job. So starting from the outside, just gonna reach in and gradually All right, so then working around, coming to the back, you want to keep pressure along the body of the mirror itself to help work against these clips here. And there you have it. It can be tricky, but always remember to take your time while you work. No broken clips, mirror's still intact, and that way we'll get a nice secure mount with the new carbon fiber part. Here you can see the perimeter of the inside of the mirror. These were the tabs I was referring to along the back where you need to press along the mirror itself, and these were the ones around the side that I was referring to. And here you can see how they actually made up with the mirror. All right, let's get this bad boy on the car. It is a pretty straightforward process, basically just the reverse of removal. So we are gonna start with these back clips here, sort of work our way in. And then coming around to the front, we're gonna tuck in this front lip. And coming around to the front, gonna pull this lower lip over, get a nice secure clamp. And always check your panel gap, make sure it's nice and smooth and symmetrical. And with the part installed, we can go and run our T10s in. And when running in these screws, you really don't want to over torque them. All it's doing is just holding the carbon in place. And you always want to double check your work. Give her a little yank test. Yeah, that ain't going anywhere. And now to pop our glass in. So remember to plug in your window heater. It doesn't matter which pin goes where. Either or will do. And then, yeah, gently pop the glass in. And there you have it. That's how you install our carbon fiber mirror caps. Just remember to reset the position of the mirror when you take her out on the first drive. Thank you for choosing Fabspeed. We'll see you out there on the road.
Mm-hmm.